My favorite city and why I love it. Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about my favorite city. It is the city I love the most. It is a special place for me. It is beautiful, exciting, and full of life. Can you guess what city it is? My favorite city is Istanbul. Yes, Istanbul. It is the biggest city in Turkey. It is also one of the most famous cities in the world. There are many reasons why I love Istanbul. Let me tell you more about it. 1. A city between two continents. Istanbul is a very unique city. It is the only city in the world that is on two continents. One side is in Europe. The other side is in Asia. The Bosphorus separates the two sides. You can take a ferry and enjoy the view. It's an amazing experience. 2. A city full of history. Istanbul has a long and rich history. Many empires lived here. The Romans, the Byzantines, and the Ottomans. There are many historical places to see. You can visit the Hagia Sophia. It is a beautiful and old building. It was a church, then a mosque, and now a mosque again. You can also visit the Blue Mosque. It has 6 minarets and amazing blue tiles. It is very beautiful inside. The Topkapi Palace is also very famous. It was the home of the Ottoman sultans. You can see old clothes, weapons, and jewels. 3. A city full of culture. Istanbul is a city of culture and art. You can go to museums, art galleries, and concerts. There are many festivals all year. You can enjoy music, movies, and theater. People in Istanbul are from many different backgrounds. They bring their own culture, food, and traditions. This makes the city very colorful. 4. Delicious food. One of the best things in Istanbul is the food. You can eat many delicious dishes. You should try kebabs, mezes, and baklava. You can drink Turkish tea or Turkish coffee. Street food is also popular. You can eat simit, doner, midi, and kumpir. There is food for everyone. 5. Great places to visit. There are many wonderful places to visit in Istanbul. You can go to Taksim Square and walk down Istiklal Street. There are shops, cafes, and people everywhere. You can visit the Grand Bazaar. It is one of the oldest markets in the world. You can buy souvenirs, clothes, spices, and jewelry. You can walk along the Bosphorus and enjoy the sea. Or you can go to Ortaköy and eat kumpir by the water. You can also take a ferry to the Prince's Islands. There are no cars there. You can walk, ride a bike, or take a horse carriage. It is very peaceful. 6. Friendly people. People in Istanbul are very friendly and helpful. If you are lost, they try to help you. They are used to tourists. Many people speak English. You can feel safe and welcome. 7. The city has everything. Istanbul is a city that never sleeps. There is always something to do. You can enjoy the sea, the parks, and the nightlife. You can go shopping, eat, or just walk and explore. It is a perfect mix of old and new. You can see modern buildings next to ancient mosques. You can take a tram or walk through narrow streets. Why I love Istanbul. I love Istanbul because it has everything I want in a city. It has history, beauty, energy, and peace. It is full of surprises. Every time I go there, I find something new. I feel happy when I am in Istanbul. I enjoy the view, the people, and the culture. It makes me feel alive. Maybe one day, you can visit Istanbul too. I am sure you will love it like I do. Thank you for listening to my story. What is your favorite city? Why do you love it? Tell me in the comments. See you next time. Bye.